Hello, everyone. This is Joe with GI Joe's R&R. This is the last of a three-part series on additional purchases needed to use the Mach 1.7 rocket in the PVC pipe configuration. This video is about the nail, definitely the most critical part of the whole system. So the nail holder right here, if you've printed this, you're familiar with it. Unscrews. The nail fits up in there. You can see it in there. And I actually designed this to where you can use slightly larger nails, slightly wider nails, but the length of nail is this guy right here. And I know from measuring previously, it's about 1.5 inches, or well, actually, it's very precisely 1.5 inches in length, and then that's about 39.1 millimeters. Then the diameter, which is also a critical dimension, is 1.65 millimeters or 0.065 inches. So I've also updated the 3D Colts page where you can download these files to show these dimensions, just where everything's kind of collected all together. Make it easier for you whenever you're going to download it, to look at the pipe, to look at the nail, and to look at the cartridge, and make sure that what you've got fits appropriately. So you can find just the bare minimum information there, but I just wanted to show you that. Diameter, boom. Length, obviously, length, boom, right there. Another interesting dimension is the diameter of this part, the end. That's about 0.15 inches or 3.85 millimeters. That is also going to affect how well it fits inside of the nail holder as well. So you can get a little bigger, probably about 30 thou bigger in diameter, 30 thousandths of an inch. So that's all the details that you'll need for the Mach 1.7 rocket in the pipe configuration, in the PVC pipe configuration. A little sneak peek of the rocket launcher that I've been mentioning. If you guys have been paying attention, that will be coming out very, very soon. But for now, subscribe if you want to follow this project of this rocket launcher, GI Joe's project, business, whatever it turns into. And like the video if you like the video. I know these videos have been a lot slower and more boring than what you tend to see on YouTube, but it's just some details for people who are wanting to launch the pipe. So there you go.